Hi, welcome to Specifi. This video will explain the process of producing a cable schedule within Specifi. First we start in System Settings, then the Cables tab. Here I can begin adding all of the cables that my company do. I can also add purposes for cables such as speaker, control, or spare. Once added in this section, you will be able to assign the cables and the purposes to the products within your quotes. Let's take a look at how this works when we are adding a product. So I go and open a proposal I have been working on. I go to the build section and add a product. Within the global properties section, I click the add cable button and I can then choose the cable and the purpose. After I have chosen the cable or cables and assigned them a purpose, I can set them as default so that Specifi remembers this selection for the next time I use this product. Once I have added all the products to the proposal and assigned the appropriate cables and purposes, I can now produce the cable schedule. If I navigate back to the System Design menu and select the Cable Schedule tile, you can see on the tile that the cable schedule can be exported in both PDF and CSV formats. Firstly, we will look at the PDF. We can see here that each cable we added to the project appears on our schedule with a unique identifier for each cable, the product it will terminate to, the type of cable which needs to be run, a purpose for that cable, and its to and from locations. At the bottom of the PDF, we can see the total amount of cable that will be required for this project. To produce this schedule, Specifi has determined that each cable starts in our comms location and terminates in the room in which we added the product. To produce this schedule, Specifi has determined that each cable starts in our comms location and terminates in the room in which we added the product. There will be projects where this isn't correct, for example, when using local AVRs or amplifiers. In this case, we will use the .csv instead. The CSV contains all the information represented in the PDF, but is now in a format we can edit. You may wish to change something, add something, or simply give more information to a specific entry. This will save many hours of boring spreadsheet work. And that is how you can produce a cable schedule using Specifi. Don't forget to check out the rest of our demo video series for more tips.